Alright, Kevin, alright man, let's go ahead and check out Jet by Paul McCartney and Wings. Alright, first section, of course, which repeats, a bit of an intro. It also serves as an interlude within the song. It's fantastic songwriting. So it is the B minor chord. B minor is on the 2nd fret of the A string, followed by a C sharp over A chord. Now we have a regular A chord. What makes it C sharp over A is that our 3rd finger goes on the 4th fret of the A string. Then it goes to D. So we have now then we go to a regular A chord where it grooves out. Else Jet. So this part is basically just a groove off of A to D. We have following this section a bit of a bridge in C sharp minor where everything kind of grooves out, mellows out for a minute in the song. And that's C sharp minor, 4th fret off the A string. Of course, he repeats the motif. Now, within the motif, the intro part, you can do a regular C sharp minor over it instead of the C sharp over A chord. In my opinion, the C sharp over A chord gives a little bit of a better segue instead of just going to C sharp minor. But if you were to go to C sharp minor, that's fine. It would just sound like. Which is not bad. So of course we have now the intro and interlude. We have the verse refrain, which is the groove part on A. We have the bridge, C sharp minor. Then there's one more section that Paul McCartney grooves out on. It goes on to B minor. That section of the song right there would be considered a C section of the tune because you already have pretty much established your verse refrain, your bridge, and of course your interlude. So that's what that section would be right there. It would be a B minor groove to A. Kind of a heavy groove too. You can put definitely some beef on it when you play. So right, so we have that, and well, I guess is your assignment for this week is to do this. Arrange the song. So literally write out every section that I'm covering right now on the tape, but arrange it so that way it could serve as a lead sheet for you, so when you're practicing and playing the whole song, you have it all written out in front of you. Okay, so we have all the sections mapped out right now, and now melodically, we have to know what key this is in, and also how you could A, solo over it, and even actually more importantly, B, how to play any melodic ideas over the song. For example, we have, you know, a very important part of the song. Well, where's that coming from? That's coming from A major. So if you could, A, play the major scale, A major scale, over the recording of the song, straight and clean. Then, secondly, try to add the motif that I just did with it. Of course, kind of how I segued into a little bit of a solo right there, that's the third thing. So we have A, play the scale straight. B, find the motif. Kind of give you a pretty good hint right there of what it is. That would be motif, meaning the hook that's done by the keyboards in the song. And 3, improvise a solo over it. So I'll tell you what, for the next minute, I'm just going to go ahead and groove out on the verse refrain of the song, play the A major scale over it, segue into the motif, the hook, and improvise a solo over it. So great, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. There is actually still quite a bit in this song because it is very, very intricate and organized. So definitely take what you have here, practice it as much as you can, develop as many questions as you can too as far as what you could do with the song, how you can make it your own, or even how you could write something like this. And next time we meet, we'll just go ahead and fill in all of the gaps and take any questions that you have. Also, feel free to email me anytime if you have questions. You know I'm there to help out. And have lots of fun. It's a fantastic song. See you in a bit.